Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are doing another unboxing. And this one is a card game, not just any card game, but it is actually being called the best card game ever. Whether it is or not, I don't know. But what we do know is that what we need to do is flip 7. Yes. The greatest card game of all time, it says on the box. It takes about 20 minutes to play. It's a pushy-look game. And let's just get into the box and see if it's any less reflective. I don't think it is. I think the reflectivity of this game is part for the course, but there we are. As you can see, the lights we have are white, but you can see the prism coming from that in the reflection, which is quite pleasant. Pressure Luck meets strategy, the addictive card game that some are calling the greatest card game of all time. The more cards you flip, the more points you earn. Special cards can help or hurt your opponents and you. Can you flip 7 cards without flipping the same number twice? Let's see what's in the box. It's a game, before we do that, it's a game for ages 8+, 3+ to play, and takes about 20 minutes. Not sure whether that depends on the amount of players. So what do we have? It's not an easy box to... This is a harder box to get into than the last one we opened, A Gentle Rain. And this one is straightforward to open, it's just not coming apart. The friction fit is very frictional. Right, what do we have? We have, first off, a little booklet of other games from this particular company. Have that one, or version of that one. Definitely got that one. That's a good game. Flip 7, now have that. And do I have any more from this company? No, I don't. So there we are. That's all the things that we have so far. We also have in the game a pencil. We have the rules. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. And this is another one with very in-depth rules. You are talking... 12 pages of rules, but only very small pages. So this goes through everything we need to know. We have a score sheet. There we go. That's what the score sheet looks like. And then we have the cards. Now then, what I do know about this card, or these cards, is that at least sat in there, and the music you probably heard is her phone going off. So we have this one, which says 0 on it because it's 0. If you play this card, you get 0 points. So we have that card. Then we have 1, 1. Then we have 2. With number 2, 3 with number 3, 4 with number 4, 5 number 5 cards, 6 number 6 cards, going on and on and on until we get to the highest number card going, which is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards with the number 12 on it. Well, what would you get that happening? What are the chances? Who knows? But there we are. So the more higher cards that you play on your turn, the more chance there are of you getting knocked out. But we'll pop them in there. We'll leave these out for a second because we have these bonus cards. So this gives you the ability to add 10 to the sum of your number cards. Add 8, add 6, add 4, add 2, and add 2. Sorry, no, tell a lie. Add 2. This one, multiply the sum of your number cards by 2. Nice. The next one. Save this card until needed. You get a second chance. So if you get knocked out by drawing the same 2 of the same number cards, you can play this to carry on playing, I suppose. This one tells you to flip 3, which could be good, could be bad. And you can play it on an active player. The back of these cards quite impressive as well. I like these. This is a game that Ali saw and recommended, so if it's not very good, it's her fault. She's giving me a dirty look now. Plan an active player. This is a freeze card. I'm presuming that when you get to someone who's doing really well, you can play this on that person and they miss a turn. I've not looked at the rules yet, so I don't know. And this is just a promotion card for all things Flip 7. Scan that. I will put that there so you can see if you can scan it on the video, and it will give you how to play a video, print at home score sheets and more. This one does something, not quite sure what, and that one does something as well, because they've all got QR codes. So, you know, I'm playing it forward as it says on there. So scan the card, see what happens. I don't know, I've not looked yet. So there we are, that is Flip 7. And that's the newest card in my collection. And again, hopefully we can get a few people together who don't mind being on camera and we can have a go at this. And have a bit of a laugh. Not very big, not very big, not very long videos, but hopefully fairly good games. I'm looking forward to playing both of these just to see what it's like. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you've enjoyed all the pretty colours on the box from the lights and the reflective nature of the box and the cards. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.